I've been asked to have a look at a remote control. I don't know what it's for. It must be for a hi-fi because it's got CD, mini disc and tape, but it's not working. I've got a couple of batteries in and I've used the camera trick on your phone and it's not lighting up that LED. If I take a different remote, I don't know if the camera's picking that up, but you can see it. There is a little flash in there. So that's how you test your remotes, but this one, I'm not getting anything. So I've got a couple of batteries in and they are giving us 3.1 volts. Which is a bit worrying actually, because there's nothing really on this. I've got, this is a ceramic resistor, a capacitor, there's some kind of little, there's Q1 there, and a resistor, which is actually, the resistor's okay, and I've checked the capacitor in circuit, but that seems to be okay. The only thing left is this chip, or perhaps this ceramic resonator. So that's this one here. I mean, there's some very slight corrosion on there, but I cannot see that being a problem. But I do not get a signal from it on my oscilloscope. So we've got Q1 here, we've got a diode there, and a diode there. Well, 0.8 there. It might not be a, I don't know what it is, W or something. But I've got no shorts on it. So I'm going to say it's okay. This resistor, which says 2R2, .8 ohms on a 2.2 ohm resistor, seems okay to me. We've got that capacitor, which measures 45, 50 microfarads, and we've got 47, so that seems to be okay. So the next thing I've got is this chip, but I cannot find any info on it. So I could reflow that, but I was looking at this ceramic resonator. I can't seem to find a signal coming out of it. I've got the bench power supply giving this 3 volts. I don't seem to be getting anything out of the resonator. I believe the middle one is ground. I'm just pressing auto. It's not picking up anything. if I hit a pin on the chip, I am getting signals. So there's something on the chip at least. So what I've done is I've ordered a new resonator. It's either replace the chip or the resonator. I've had a good look around the board and I cannot see any faults with it. No broken traces. The only other thing I think it could be is this LED. So in diode mode, I get open and 1.06. So I'm assuming that's okay. This is a 4 and I've got hopefully a replacement. Yeah. So we'll put that on and we'll see if that's the fault. I'm expecting just to add a lot of solder to there and pull it out, get them all heated up at the same time and take it out. There you go. That was easier than I expected. Let's clean that up. Put the new one in. Just going to have to assume that the writing is on the right side. Keeping this in might be a bit of a pain. There you go. I'm just trying to pick up a little bit of solder on me soldering iron and dab it on one leg to keep it in place. Right, let's try that. Oh, look at that. There is just a little flash of light. I think that's working. There you go. That's it. What a great result. This is for Jim, who I did the Revitide thing. He brought this as well, and that's as, if I looked at them, he's got this, whatever gadget it's for, hi-fi, you need this to do some of the operations on it. So he's going to be thrilled at that. And it's only cost about £2.50. I've never came across these before. Being ceramic, I wouldn't have thought they would have broken, but it appears they do. I wonder if I can get a signal on the scope now. I just want to check that out before I put this back together. So that's got 3 volts. So I'm still not getting a signal on the scope. I'll try that middle one. No. So my thoughts about it being, my method was wrong, but my diagnosis was right. Well, that's a shame. Or does it only scope if you press the button? I don't know. Perhaps I'm not doing it right. But at least it's fixed. There might be a better way to test those ceramic capacitors. So there might be a better way to test those ceramic resistors that I don't know about. If there is, let us know. But I am going to call that a fix. So the difference between a working one is that you get no continuity between any of the legs, and a faulty one you don't get continuity, but they are connected to show resistance between all of the legs. So there's a connection on the faulty one, but nothing on the working one. But obviously you can't check that when it's in circuit. Back to the video. Before I clip that in fully, I'll do another test. Yep, you can see it clearly there. That is brilliant. Right, he's going to be very happy with that. I can send him a text and tell him it's fixed. And that's how you fix an RM. The writing's too small, I cannot read it. It is an RM Z20038. And if yours isn't working, it might be a ceramic resonator. So that's it for the video. I hope you've enjoyed it. That's another easy fix for me, because I was getting a bit fed up with this whole fixing YouTube malarkey. But I'm back, hopefully, and I hope to see you all in the next one. Thanks for watching. Jim, your remote control's fixed.